Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia Ado, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Today I'll be doing a video on how I drew my brows. Go girl, go girl. So if you want to watch that video, if you want to see that video, keep watching. Alright everyone, I'll be showing you the things I'll be using for my eyebrow. So the first things first is my eye pencil. I have two eye pencil, one Davis in color 1, that's black, and MAC in color 2. Then I'll be making use of my LA Girl conceal. I have two colors. I have the first one is Warm Honey, which is a lighter color, and I have Toffee, which is darker, a darker color. Then I'll be showing you the brushes I will be using. The name of my brush is Naked. This is the brush, this brush, and this brush, and I'll be making use of a blending brush for the conceal area, and also a brush to apply something else. I will tell you as time goes on. So, and one more, a lot you should know. First thing first, we're going to brush the eye up. Make sure you brush it very well. The eyebrow, I mean, you brush the eyebrow up until you brush it very well. Then we're going to use our black eye pencil to first line it down. And before you use your eye pencil, this is what you do: you sharpen. Make sure it is well sharp. Sorry, it is really pointy and sharpened. I know. The mouth should be sharp, very sharp. So now you're going to draw a line down underneath the eye. I hope I'm getting it. I don't want to block you guys, so you see. So I'll come closer. Why am I using black to draw a line underneath? Okay, if you ask me why I use black to draw a line underneath, so that it will come out sharp. You know, I am not light skinned, I'm not dark, I'm not light, I'm just in between. So I want it to come out very well. Like, I want to see it. That's why I'm drawing a line underneath. If I use a brown color, I might not see what I'm doing. Then we're going to use our brown eye pencil to line the top part. It depends on how you want the brow to look like. I'm just going to do this. I hope I didn't block you guys. You can see it. Let me come very close to the camera. You can see it. After I've done that, okay, this is it. After I did that, now I'm going to use the brown eye pencil to like fill it up. I'm going to draw a line under it, underneath. Like look at the way I'm filling it up. So here I'm just going to like rub them in like that. And that's that. Okay, today I'm not going to be making use of the brow definer. I will tell you why. Since it's just a starters, since it's just for beginners. Then I'm using my black eye pencil. I want this edge, this part, to be really, I think it should pop out. So I'm going to use my black to like darken it a little bit, this particular edge, this side, because of the brown is not giving me what I want. So that I'll be able to see what I did. I'm just going to use the black and do this. That's it. Then I'm going to make use of this brush again. I'm going to take this brush and like brush it up, paint it out a little bit. You can see that there's no, I notice that here now looks too empty. You can see that. So I'm just going to use my brown eye pencil and refill that, and I'm going to like stretch it out a little bit, because when drawing an eyebrow you should consider here your eye bone and here, see. So I'm just going to do this. You can see what I'm doing. The brown is quite light, so I'm just going to fill it up like that. Then I'm going to use my brush and do this. Okay. Oh God, Olivia, stop it. Okay, just so used to that. Okay, now I am going to first start with the lighter shade of my conceal. I'm just going to put it on top of my hand here. I always do that because it's easier for me that way. So I'm just going to do this. You have to be extra careful. Be extra careful. Please don't mind the noise in the background. People are, I'm in a very funny area and a lot of people are so noisy. They can be so noisy. So hard with me. I'm just going to keep doing that. You can see that. Keep doing that. I just want to blend it out. This is what I'm doing. I'm blending it out. See, the down is done. Then I'm going to go to the upside and be louder. Can be a music. I'll take it up right now. So this time around I'm using a darker shade, the darker shade I showed you guys. The reason why I am going to line my up because I don't have brows. If you have brows already, you have full brows, sometimes you don't even need to line it up. You just line only the down. If your brows are well arranged after you shave your brow and everything. But I'm going to show you how to shave brows. I'm using somebody's face because I don't have brow to shave. So now I'm going to go up. I'm going to set my brush like this to line to conceal the side, because I'm going to do this. Let me come closer so you can see. Okay. Don't give it a, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going in like this. Make sure it's straight. Make sure it is straight. And the left. You can see I noticed something. This looks bigger than this, so I'm just going to arrange that. I'm just going to do that. Let me try it in the right hand. I don't know how to use my right hand. I'm not good at using my right hand for my left brows. Eye cream palette. I'm going to take this color here, and I'm just going to do this here. Why am I doing this? I want my eye to pop, like it defines that side. So I just like, oh, baby girl, you look good. The brows are like, whoa. So I want it when you, the first thing you see and you're like, man, her brows is nice. So just making money rush like because I swear God, if I